Welcome to your complete pond management solution. This is the half-off Pond's Stingray 1200, an all-in-one submersible pump, filter, UV clarifier, and fountain set designed for ponds up to 1,200 gallons. Out of the box, you receive a low-profile filtration housing, an energy-efficient 525 GPH magnetic drive pump, an integrated 9-watt UV clarifier, filter media, and 3 premium fountain nozzles. The Stingray 1200 utilizes a heavy-duty multi-stage filtration process. Dual foam filters trap heavy debris, while the biomedia promotes critical biological filtration. To ensure total water quality, included zeolite crystals constantly absorb harmful ammonia. Assembly is straightforward and requires no tools. Simply connect the fountain extension tubes, thread the assembly onto the pump housing, and use the integrated driver valve if you wish to split your water flow to a pond side filter or waterfall. Once assembled, place the unit directly into the pond. Customize this water feature with 3 included spray patterns. The classic tier fountain nozzle, the elegant bell fountain nozzle, or the powerful jet fountain nozzle. The 525 GPH pump runs quietly and efficiently. Equipped with an extra long 20-foot grounded power cord and backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty with 100% US-based customer support, the Stingray 1200 delivers a healthier, cleaner environment for your pond. Upgrade your pond today.